Here's the car. It's a 70 Mustang Mach 1. It's a true '05. It's an H-code 351 Windsor 2-barrel car. It's just a Mustang, essentially. I got this car when I was 15, and I daily drove this car all the way through community college and then first 2 years of university. And then the car kind of got sidelined. Brakes were bad, holes in the floor, rust, and I started dating a nice girl who is now my wife. And I got really serious about what I was doing at school. So car went on a back burner, I drove something else, and the car sat. So it's been off the road since the mid-90s. All right, so it's time to get working on this thing. I got to do some work before we can talk about it, before we can get to anything. I've already weed whacked the side. I was absolutely covered in briars and stuff from that, so all that's been knocked down. But this is all a bunch of, just trash. It's got to be moved. It's just gathered up as the car has sat here for years and years. Sorry, I was eating cookies, as a man does. So let me get this cleaned up. We'll come back. We'll talk about it. All right, so I've been working. Quite a bit of stuff here in the Saab. It's all metal. I'm only taking metal this time. Hopefully the dump is open tomorrow. It's a Saturday, so maybe they are. I hope so. I can drop it off first thing in the morning. You can see I've made some pretty good progress here. Just that little bit left. And we can actually see this side of the car now. And look, all the stuff is gone. Sort of. So, rearrange some stuff to get it away from the main garage door. This is where the lift area is. But, chairs, tables, not getting rid of them. Sorry, I've inhaled so much dust and dirt. Back of the Saab is pretty filled. The rest got piled in the back of these F-150s. But the Mustang is undercover again. Now, it's a little disingenuous for me to sit here and cover this up and then do a reveal, but that's exactly what I'm going to have done. This shooting videos thing is all new to me, so I have no idea how I should do this. But I'll try to make it, at least entertaining and fun. I'm pleased that the car is back in a situation where I can at least get to it. Remind myself what it is that needs to be done. I know there's stuff that needs to be done. I've got piles of parts from years of planning and saving and buying stuff on sale, etc., etc. Let's get to it. All right, it moved. So let's see if we can try pushing the car. Again, I think I have an ignition, but at least the shifter is hooked up to the shift mechanism on the transmission. Could it just be stuck? Maybe stuck brakes, you think? Maybe.